Graphing equations in point-slope form. Here is the point-slope form of the equation of a line. The point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. That's the general form that you start with. The general form has minus signs in it. You'll get some problems that have plus, and I'll show you how to fish that out. The reason why it's called point slope is because you have a point and a slope given to you from the problem. This x1 and this y1 create a point. So you would plot that point on your graph, and then you would use the slope that's given to you in the middle, m. So it's very simple, nothing to change around except maybe a couple of signs here and there. Here's an example. The equation is y minus 2 equals 2/3 times the quantity x minus 5. The first thing you do is get the point out. Remember that in the general form of the point-slope form, you had minus signs there and there. That means if you have a minus sign in the equation, you're just going to use the number that's beside it. It's not going to be -2 or -5. Start with this one first. Start with that 5. And then use the 2. That's the point that you have to plot on the graph. And then the slope that you will use is 2/3. So find 5, 2 on the graph. Go over 5 and then up 2. Make a dot. And then your slope is 2/3, so go up 2 and to the right 3. Make a dot. And now we'll draw a line like this and move it over. Goes all the way through. It's straight and it has arrows at either end. Your equation is y plus 3 equals a -1/2 times the quantity x minus 1. Notice you have a plus 3 here. Whenever you have a plus 3, that means that the number that's going to be coming out of it is going to be negative. It's plus there, so you're going to use a -3. Over here you have a -1. In the formula there was a minus sign, so that means you just take out a 1. The 1 is the x and the -3 is the y. So there's your point. And the slope is a -1/2. So go over 1 and down 3, make a dot. The slope is a -1/2. So go down 1 and to the right 2. Draw the line. Arrows at either end, goes all the way through, and it is straight. The point is going to be -3, 1. So we have to go to -3, 1, and make a dot. The slope is 2. That's the same as 2/1. So go up 2 and then over 1. Draw the line. Arrows at either end, straight, and it goes all the way through. The point from here, you're going to use the opposite of each of those. So 5, -3 is the point. So go over 5 and then down 3. There's your point. Slope is -4/3, so go down 4 and then to the right 3. Make a dot. and then draw the line. Straight, arrows, and all the way through. Your point from this is going to be 4, 4. So we'll go over 4, up 4, make a dot, and then the slope is 2, so up 2 and over 1. Arrows, straight, and all the way through.